Hi everyone, welcome to this amazing Python course. Myself Imtiaz Mokhtar and I am founder of Red Forest company. So about my education, I am currently doing bachelor's in computer science. So this Python language I have learned it before 3 years ago, and a few days ago the question arose me in my mind that why not to share this course with others. It will be helpful for me to revise everything again, and it will be helpful for you to gain knowledge from beginning to advanced. So this course is in the form of written content as well as video courses. You can access video courses from YouTube and written content plus video content on our website. We have provided both in an efficient way, like there you can access assignments, exercises, projects, everything in one place. So make sure to enroll in this course on our website. Now let me tell you about this course. In 100 days we will provide you daily 1 hour study material in form of video content as well as written content. This course has been updated to be 2022 ready, and you will learn the latest tools and technologies used at large companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix. And in this course we will provide you tons of real world projects that you can add in your portfolio, and we will update this course constantly with new content, and we will take you step by step through our engaging video tutorials, and we will try to teach you everything you need to know. What you will learn by the end of this course: number first, you will learn Python language professionally by building 50 unique projects over 100 days. Number second, you will learn automation, game, app and web development, data science and machine learning, all using Python. Number third, you will be able to program in Python professionally. Number 5, you will be able to build fully fledged websites and web apps using Python. Number 6, you will build your own games like blackjack, pong, snake games, tic-tac-toe and many more using Python. Number 6, you can build your GUIs and desktop applications using Python. Now let me tell you about the materials included in this course. So there are a lot of video content, like 50 plus our video content has been uploaded in this course, 300 plus articles has been provided, and 100 plus assignments has been provided, and 50 plus coding exercises, and lifetime free access for everyone. And you can access this course on desktop as well as Android phone, and by the end of the course you will get a completion certificate by our company. Now the question arises here: what are the requirements for enrolling in this course? So if you are a beginner, means you are unfamiliar with programming languages, you do not have learned any language, so this course is for you, because we'll provide you everything from beginning to advanced, and we will not use any paid software in this course, and I will teach you how to use Visual Studio Code, PyCharm and Jupyter Notebook for absolutely free. I hope guys you like the introduction of this course. If you are really interested in learning Python, then we have provided a link of this course in our description box as well as in first comment. For our first 100 registrations, this course is for free. After that we'll provide this course for premium, so go and check out now that course and enroll for absolutely free. So guys, we'll start this course in few days. If you are new at my channel, then do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, so when we will start this course you will get a notification. So guys, let's meet in next video. Till that, bye.